Hi preschool friends, it's Miss Renee. We're going to do math lesson 6. Today we're going to sort into two groups. So we are going to say, I can sort into two groups. Before we get started, we're going to do a little counting. So I'm going to start. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 1, 2, 3, tap with me. 1, 2, 3, clap with me. 1, 2, 3, jump with me. 1, 2, 3, count with me. Good job. So today we are going to be sorting some laundry. Can you help me sort the laundry? I need to put all of the light color clothes into one circle, and then I need to put the dark color clothes in the other circle. So I'm going to sort my laundry by the type of color they are. Are they light colors or are they dark colors? So I'm going to start with this pair of pants. This pair of pants is a dark color. So I'm going to sort it into this circle. Now this pair of pants here, this is a light color. So I'm going to put it in the other circle because I'm sorting them by light colors and by dark colors. This t-shirt is a dark color, so I'm going to put it in this circle. These pants are a dark color, so I'm going to move it into this circle, the dark color circles. Now this t-shirt is pink. It is not very dark, so I would say it's a light color, so I'm going to put it in this circle with my other light colors. These pants look like they're kind of light. They're not as dark as the pants on this side. They are a light color, so I'm going to put them in the light color side. This shirt is a dark color, so I'm going to put it over here in this circle with the dark colors. And this shirt is a light color, so I'm going to move it over here into the light color circle. So we sorted these clothes by light colors and by dark colors. Good job, you put them into two groups. Now I need some more help. I want to color with markers. And my friend wants to color with crayons. What should we do? We can sort the markers and the crayons into two groups. We can make two groups. So I'm going to move the markers into this circle and the crayons into this circle. I'm going to make a group of markers and a group of crayons. I'm going to sort them into two groups. This is a marker and a crayon, a marker and a crayon, one more marker and one more crayon. Look, we sorted them into two groups. One group is markers and the other group is crayons. Great job sorting today, friends. We'll see you next time.